guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1981 to 87 El Camino dash emblems by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These outstanding reproductions are highly detailed and feature the original tooled and etched designs and brilliant factory authentic colors. In addition, these are licensed by General Motors, so you know that you're receiving the most authentic reproduction on the market. Detail is extremely important to us, so that's why we make sure that each emblem is correctly manufactured using an injection molded soft acrylic fascia. This encases the underlying emblem, which is identical to the GM factory when originally produced. We also include the correctly located mounting studs, so these emblems are ready for installation upon arrival. At Original Parts Group, we've been a leader in the industry since 1982 and will continue to provide you with the best customer service and highest quality products on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.